got no love for the fakeness.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Redmagic 7S Pro. I have been using this smartphone for almost 10 days now and I'm super satisfied with this smartphone. If you are here to know my verdict, then yeah, at the end of this video I'm gonna say if you're looking for the best gaming smartphone, then you should go for this smartphone. I mean, you should buy this Redmagic 7S Pro. Well, as personally I have access to almost all the flagship smartphones, it's very difficult for me to choose a gaming smartphone as my daily drive. But the truth is, I have been using this smartphone, this Redmagic 7S Pro, as my primary drive for last few days. I mean, for last 10 days. I'm in love with this uninterrupted display panel. There is nothing on the display panel. Yeah, the selfie camera is hidden under the display panel. I have many other smartphones with under display selfie camera, but this one is one of the best for gaming. I have many other smartphones with under display selfie camera, but this Redmagic 7S Pro display panel is totally calibrated for gaming. Trust me, I'm not joking, this is the truth. Well, not only the display panel, gaming performance of this Redmagic 7S Pro is like out of the world performance. Well, after I have tested Antutu benchmark and 3D the Gamers benchmark, I was like, really? No. This can't be true. But it's the truth. Well, I'm not gonna say a lot of things now. Let's start from unboxing, let's go through the review process and let's check how does it perform. I mean, how good is this Redmagic 7S Pro? But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Here is the box of Redmagic 7S Pro. I really like this monochrome design. After opening the top lid, there is another envelope type of box. Inside this, there is a SIM ejector tool, a TPU silicon protective case. This is a very good quality TPU silicon protective case. Here goes our Redmagic 7S Pro. Let's put the phone aside. Underneath the smartphone, there is a 65 watt fast charger and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a premium quality charging cable. Well, let's unwrap this newest beast, the Redmagic 7S Pro. This is a premium device and in hand it truly feels premium. Redmagic 7S Pro got the same outlook as Redmagic 7 Pro. There is almost no difference in appearance. They have just changed a few words here and there to give it an updated outlook. I must mention, Redmagic 7S Pro comes with one of the best metal frames among all the flagship smartphones. As usual, at the back there is an active cooling fan. The air intake vent is actually at the rear panel. 20,000 RPM fan speed, RGB lighting. Altogether, this fan gives the phone better visual appearance and helps to get it cooled faster than any other flagship devices. The center part of the rear panel is made of such material which helps heat dissipation. Actually, Redmagic 7S Pro has a proprietary protective case and this center part gets connected to the case and offers better thermal performance. I really like this transparent glass back. This see-through rear panel gives it an unique outlook and adds appeal to its original design. Redmagic 7S Pro got almost everything on the right side. Volume rockers, power button, shoulder triggers and a microphone is on the right side. Also, there is a vent for air outlet and two antenna bands are on the right side. There is a gaming mode slider and an antenna band is located on the left side. On top there is a speaker cutout, a secondary microphone and a 3.5mm port. At the bottom there is a SIM tray, primary microphone, a USB-C port and a speaker grill. Well, before we go through the testing process, let's check the specifications of this Redmagic 7S Pro. If you're interested, then you can pause this video and check the specifications. 6.8-inch FHD Plus OLED panel. It's the same size of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but S22 Ultra has curved edges and higher pixel per inch density. Moreover, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra display panel is a 2K QHD Plus panel, but side by side there is almost no difference in performance. And I think this flat panel of Redmagic 7S Pro is more optimized for gaming. White is very bright, black is truly dark, colors are vivid and vibrant. I have tested this Redmagic 7S Pro display panel with many other flagships. My personal opinion may differ from other reviewers, but truly, this uninterrupted display panel of Redmagic 7S Pro is one of the best for gaming and entertainment. Performance of this panel is amazing. 1080p panel with 120Hz refresh rate offers snappy and buttery smooth user experience. Let's listen to the same music side by side, one after another. Let's see whether there is any difference between Redmagic 7S Pro and Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Please note that Xiaomi 12S Ultra comes with Harman Kardon optimized stereo speaker setup.
I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, shit, I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people are spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion. Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
I personally don't prefer Antutu benchmark. I prefer 3DMerc the Gamer's benchmark over Antutu, and we will also run 3DMerc after this Antutu test. Anyway, let's run Antutu benchmark. We will run Antutu benchmark a few times to check whether there is any thermal throttling or not. I have fully recharged the battery of Redmagic 7S Pro. Ambient room temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the smartphone is 30 degrees Celsius. After the first run, Redmagic 7S Pro has got 1.1 million. I've never thought that any smartphone could get 1.1 million. This feels like living in a dream. Without wasting any more time, let's run again. Let's see whether there is any thermal throttling or not. After the second run, Redmagic 7S Pro has managed to get 1,089,000. We already know that Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 has better thermal performance than its predecessor, and with an active cooling fan, Redmagic 7S Pro is performing like a beast. Let's run Antutu benchmark for the third time and let's see what happens. After the third run, Redmagic 7S Pro has got 1,092,000. It's 3,000 more than the second run. Even if I don't prefer Antutu benchmark, this score is really amazing. Now we are gonna run 3DMerc. I have given enough time, 25 minutes to be exact, to this 7S Pro after Antutu benchmark so that the phone can get back to the normal temperature. This test is nightmare for any smartphones. Wildlife Extreme Stress Test. There are 20 loops, it takes about 20 minutes to finish and provides a lot of correct and useful information. Okay, should I say amazing? This is more than amazing. Look at the stability rate of Redmagic 7S Pro, 99.5%. That's the best among any smartphones that I have ever tested. This is almost insane. Redmagic 7S Pro has got 2816 in the first loop and 2808 in the final loop. One more time, this is unbelievable. I have never seen such consistency. There is almost no throttling. I have also ran this test a few days ago and 7S Pro has got more than 97% stability. Okay, there was an update and especially after this new update, Redmagic 7S Pro stability, wow, 99.5%. I really cannot believe this. Redmagic is a gaming smartphone brand. There is a game lobby slider on the left side of the phone. There are hundreds of options to select and tune to get the optimum performance and stability while playing games. There is an option to select CPU and GPU frequency. You can select between Eco, Balanced and Rise, but I think you will barely need that maximum frequency. Even in balanced mode, this one performs like a monster. Sorry, I'm wrong. Not like a monster. Redmagic 7S Pro definitely is a monster. Actually, I'm just repeating the same voiceover that I have used in my Redmagic 7 Pro review video. It feels like Redmagic has finally got to their peak. Out of the world in-game experience, the phrase buttery smooth is not even enough. After playing Genshin Impact for 30 minutes in ambient room temperature, Redmagic 7S Pro has performed great, beyond my imagination. Continuous 60 frames per second without a single frame drop. I'm truly surprised, amazed, and confused. How can it be possible? The magnetic gaming buttons or shoulder triggers also performs well, better than any other gaming buttons on other smartphones. I think I should use the word the best for these gaming buttons. Altogether, Redmagic 7S Pro at this moment is the best gaming smartphone. Well, Redmagic 7S Pro is a gaming smartphone, so there is nothing special in rear camera setup. There is a Samsung GW3 64MP main sensor, Hynix HI846 8MP sensor for ultra-wide photos, and yeah, there is a 2MP Galaxy Core sensor for macro photos. But the main attraction or the feature is actually in the selfie camera. The selfie sensor is hidden under the display panel, so yeah, we can enjoy uninterrupted display panel. There is a 16MP OmniVision OV16E10 pure cell selfie sensor. This one works fine, but as this is an under-display selfie camera, we cannot expect too much out of this. Let's check some photos taken with Redmagic 7S Pro side by side with another smartphone. You decide how good is the camera performance.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always
Redmagic 7S Pro got a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a 65-watt fast charger inside the box. It performs very well. Redmagic 7S Pro never gets heated while charging cause it has an active cooling fan. It takes about 24 minutes to get charged from 0 to 100%. I have managed to get 7.5 hours of screen on time with 90Hz refresh rate. However, as I always say, screen on time depends on your usage pattern and settings. For example, at 120Hz, battery drains faster. If you use rise mode with higher CPU and GPU frequency, then battery gets drained way faster than usual. However, among all the gaming smartphones, Redmagic 7S Pro offers longer screen on time. Redmagic 7S Pro has its own skin, Redmagic OS 5.0, which runs on Android 12. There are a few special features in it. The first thing is charging separation. I really love this feature. As far as I know, Redmagic is the first brand to add this feature on any smartphones. When you enable this feature, your phone will not get charged, so the battery will not generate any heat. The charger will only power the smartphone. That means the phone will neither draw any power from the battery nor will recharge the battery. What an amazing way to keep your gaming session cooled. There is another feature, that is heart rate monitor. I'm not sure how much can we trust this, but I'm actually surprised to see the heart rate measurement of Redmagic 7S Pro is almost the same as many other very expensive smartwatches, which comes with professional heart rate sensors. Redmagic 7S Pro got a in-display optical fingerprint sensor. It's easy to register fingerprints and works without any issue. As usual, 7S Pro also got face unlock feature. It's easy to enroll face data. It works with smoothness. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? As I've been using this one for almost 15 days now, side by side with many other gaming smartphones. There are some other unreleased smartphones that I have too, but actually this Redmagic 7S Pro is my current gaming device. I'm really in love with this uninterrupted display panel. Yeah, there is no punch hole, there is no cutout, there is nothing. At this moment, this is the best gaming smartphone. This one offers unbelievable performance for hours after hours without any issue. So if you are looking for a gaming smartphone, then Redmagic 7S Pro is the one that I would recommend. Yeah, if you are into selfies and if you want premium quality camera performance, then definitely you have to look elsewhere. Remember one thing, if you go elsewhere, you will miss the best out of the world gaming performance. That's the end of this video. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you have loved this video, if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel, as I always offer true content. Please support this channel.
No, I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play